This video will show you the best free VPN for iPhone users in Russia.
So, Proton VPN stand out as the top free VPN option for iPhone users in Russia. It offers unlimited data, robust security features, and a strict no-logs policy ensuring your online activities remain private. And notably, Proton VPN includes a kill switch on iOS to protect your data if the connection drops, a feature not commonly found in free VPN. We also have right here is the Orban VPN. It also offers 100% free services with access of Russian servers, making it a viable option for users looking to obtain a Russian IP address. It is compatible with iOS and provides browser extension for Chrome and Edge. So let us take note that Russia has strict regulations regarding VPN usage so ensure that your VPN use comply with the local use to avoid potential legal issues.